Here is the best PUBG settings for highest FPS. Follow these simple steps to get a smoother gameplay, better performance and less stutter. All you have to do is press the escape key and go to settings. Display mode, set this to full screen. Resolution, set this to monitor's native resolution. Lobby FPS cap set to 60. And in-game FPS cap, set this to custom and set your monitor's max refresh rate. Doing this can fix shutter problem. Now go to advanced tab and render scale, set this to 100 and FPS camera fave, set this to 103. Press enter. Now overall graphics quality set to very low and VSync to disable, the texture to medium, view distance to low. All other things are set to very low and these three things are disabled. Scroll down, DirectX version 11. Turning off VSync to avoid input lag. Now select apply option and it will be saved. And the final step, if you doesn't use replace, you need to turn it off. Go to gameplay tab and go to others and replay disable, death cam disable. This lowers CPU usage and help prevent FPS drops during fights. And now follow these steps and you will get a highest FPS PUBG experience. Select apply to save changes option. This step is optional, but if you want to boost FPS even more, then lower resolution scale to 90% and lower textures to low, view distance to very low, and lower fave from 103 to 90. And now this is even more FPS boost. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.